we have here for you the awesome 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500 RST with the 6.2 V8 liter engine, and it comes with the fantastic Sherrod lifted kit, to be very precise, the LZ or LZ-1 Sherrod kit. This typically costs in excess of $20,000 to fit. So let's have a look on the inside first of this fabulous truck. So first of all, you've got just over 38,000 miles on the clock. This truck comes with a Michigan rebuild title due to auto theft recovery, and in this case we had to remove and replace the left fender and the front bumper. It is absolutely just phenomenal, really. So you've got some amazing options. So we've got lane keep, lane departure warning, heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel. You've got 360 camera. Let's show you this. Sensors, as you can hear, as people walk behind the truck there. We have touchscreen, wireless. So what we have here, you've got, for example, your wireless phone charger. You have also Google and Apple CarPlay there, which are also wireless. Show you, you can turn off this auto stop start if you don't want to have it on. We also have the lovely back glass slider there. Of course, the interior is sumptuous. It's just incredible, really. You've got the Sherrod logos everywhere, and it's just such fabulous leather. You've got here quite a large space for anything you wish, including, and I really like this, a little safe there. We also have, like I said, some beautiful extras here. So this is 6-inch lifted, this truck. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go and look all around. Let's go and look outside. There we go. Second row is beautiful leather interior continues, and you've got huge amount of leg room. There you go. It comes with the Bose sound system. So one of the things I like about these, you've got these fender flares, you've got exhaust outlets for the engines, you've got the LZ-1, you've got beautiful red caliper brakes, and wherever you look, inside or out, this truck oozes class. This stunning Chevy Silverado 1500 with the Sherrod lift kit is available here for your next auto. Call us on 586 770 1554. That is 586 770 1554.